Was this a dagger which I see before me? The handle towards my hand. Come, let me clutch thee. I have thee not, and yet I see thee still. Art thou not fatal vision, sensible to feeling, as to sight? Or art thou but a dagger of the mind, a false creation proceeding from the heat oppressed brain? I see thee yet, in form as palpable as that which now I draw. Thou marshallest me the way that I was going. In such an instrument I was to use. Mine eyes play the fools on the other senses. Or else worth all the rest. I see thee still, and on thy blade and dungeon gouts of blood, which were not so before. There's no such thing! It is the bloody beastness that thus informs mine eyes. Now the one-half world, nature seems dead, and wicked dreams abuse the curtained sleep. Witchcraft celebrates pale headaches, offerings, and withered murder, alarmed by his sentinel, the wolf whose howls his watch, thus with his stealthy pace, with Tarquin's ravishing stride, towards his design moves like a ghost. Thou, sure and firm set earth, hear not my steps, which way they walk, for fear thy very stones prate of my whereabouts, and take the present horror from the time which now suits with it, whilst I threat. He lives. Words to the heat of deeds, too cold breath gives. I go, and it is done. The bell invites me. Hear it not, Duncan. It is a knell that summons thee to heaven. Or to hell.